हेलो बच्चों। तो you are now studying 11th standard and I am going to teach you the first chapter of maths 2, that is complex number. Now complex number is a chapter which we are going to study in 8 different parts. Why we are taking like this? Because this is a very, as name says, it is a complex number. The chapter is also complex and we need to study step by step, and I am making short videos of 15 minutes around so that you understand the concept. Now these are the 8 parts, and first part we are going to study now, where we will study concept of number line, trigonometric ratios and introduction to the complex number. Further parts are listed here. One by one you will understand. I will have videos in series 1. So connected with series 1 it will be 1A, 1B, 1C like that. Similarly 2A, 2B, 2C, 2D. Similarly 5A, 5B like that. ठीक है? And we will solve the examples, important examples also connected with that subtopic. Now, in this topic, we are considering concept of number line. This is number 1. Trigonometric ratios, and I will introduce you to the imaginary number. What is that? Chalo. Now, number line. मतलब क्या? Line on which we write numbers. Very simple. Now there are numbers divided into various groups. ठीक है? Now here I have put real number. What is that? You will come to know. We have natural numbers. मतलब क्या? 1, 2, 3, 4, dash, 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 101, 200, 3225. Like that, all these numbers, they will go up to infinity. These are all natural numbers. यहाँ zero नहीं है, यहाँ negative भी नहीं है. So these are natural numbers. Then we have whole numbers. Whole number मतलब क्या? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, dash, 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 dash. Like that, it will go on up to infinity. So what is the difference between natural numbers and whole number? In whole numbers, 0 is also included. समझ गए बच्चों? चलो. Then there is integer. What is integer? Integer में 0, 1, 2, 3, like that it is right up to infinity, as well as -1, -2, -3, -4. समझ गए? Like that it will go right up to minus infinity. समझ गए? बट यहां क्या नहीं है? 1.2, 1.5 वगैरह वगैरह. Then there are rational numbers. Rational numbers are the numbers which you can express in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q both are integers. समझ गए बच्चों? So 4 upon 5, it is the rational number. -1 upon 20, this is a rational number. समझ गए? Or -6 upon 7, this is also a rational number. Now when there is rational, there is something like irrational. Irrational means you cannot express in the form P upon Q. समझ गए बच्चों? ये नंबर तो है लेकिन हमें ऐसा एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर सकते. इन शॉर्ट, इट डज नॉट हैव द एग्जैक्ट वैल्यू. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्क्वेयर रूट 2, क्यूब रूट 7, बराबर है. देन square root 5. These are all irrational number. Irrational number. And all these numbers put together, they can be called real number. समझ गए? All these are under what we call it real number. Now when your question will come to your mind, अगर रियल है तो देर इज समथिंग विच इज नॉट रियल. वॉट इज दैट नॉट रियल? रियल तो हमें समझ गया क्या है. वॉट इज नॉट रियल? दैट वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी इन दिस चैप्टर, एंड दैट नॉट रियल इज नोन एज इमेजिनरी. समझ गए बच्चों? This is what we are going to study in this chapter. बहुत बड़ा चैप्टर है. नंबर इमेजिनरी है, उसको एग्जिस्टेंस है ही नहीं, फिर भी इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट इन ऑल एप्लीकेशंस लाइक फिजिक्स, इंजीनियरिंग, अदर मैथमेटिकल चैप्टर्स वगैरह वगैरह. तो इमेजिनरी चीज का भी हमें बहुत उपयोग होता है. समझ गए? Now, we should also know what is a number line. Number line क्या होता है? Number line ऐसा है, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is -1, this is -2, this is -3, and you can represent any of these real numbers on this line. For example, I take -2.5. तो ये -2, यहां -2.5 आएगा. समझ गए? समझ गए? सपोज यू वांट टू पुट 1.1, यहां 1.1 आएगा. समझ गए? और ये लाइन ऐसा कहां तक जाता है? प्लस इंफिनिटी. और ऐसा कहां तक जाता है? माइनस इंफिनिटी. Even irrational number you can represent a number line as a approximate. Square root 2 is approximately 1.41. So this will be somewhere square root 2. It will not occupy the exact point. It has no exact value, but it is on the number line. समझ गए बच्चों? चलो ये वीडियो थोड़ा पॉज करके भी देख लीजिए फिर से. ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज. नाउ बच्चों, दिस इज राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल. ये हमेशा याद रखो. Let us say this is angle theta. Theta is a Greek word, theta. Opposite side I represent by y. Adjacent side I represent by x. So hypotenuse will be what? I call it r. That will be square root x square plus y square. So what are the trigonometric ratios? Sine of theta is opposite side upon hypotenuse. Cos of theta is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Tan of theta is opposite side upon adjacent side. And we also have cosec theta, which is 1 upon sin theta. We have sec theta, which is nothing but 1 upon cos theta. And we have cot theta, which is nothing but 1 upon tan theta. Now angle, you will learn in maths 1, is also represented in this coordinate system. You start measuring from here, go in the anti-clockwise direction, you measure positive angle theta. Now if this is r and this point is represented by x, y, you can find out what is sin theta, what is cos theta. Similar to, अभी यहाँ advantage क्या है? You will understand that when you study first part of maths 1, that this angle can be negative also, this angle can be represented more than 360 degrees also. समझ गए बच्चों? Now we come to the introduction part of it. बहुत ही छोटा और प्यारा वीडियो है, but your concepts will be clear once you see this video carefully. What is imaginary number? Now let us say we have an equation x square minus 9 equal to 0. So what happens? X square is equal to 9 and value of x is plus or minus square root of 9. So plus or minus 3. बराबर है, इंटीजर है. You have x square minus 2 equal to 0. So by same logic, x becomes plus or minus square root of 2. This is integer. This is not integer, not rational number, but this is irrational number. But both of these numbers are real numbers. उन्हें existence है real. Now I take equation, see this very carefully. X square plus 9 equal to 0. So x square becomes minus 9. अभी माइनस चीज का स्क्वायर रूट तो निकल ही नहीं सकता है, बिकॉज इवन इफ x इज minus 3, उसका स्क्वायर तो प्लस 9 हो जाएगा. बच्चों समझ गए? सो x becomes square root of minus 9. दिस इज, ये ब्रह्मांड में ऐसी चीज हो ही नहीं सकती है. ऐसा कोई भी नंबर नहीं है जो माइनस नंबर का स्क्वायर रूट है. सो दिस इज नोन एज इमेजिनरी नंबर. समझ गए बच्चों? दिस इज इमेजिनरी नंबर. यहां चीज निकल ही नहीं सकती है, तो इमेजिनरी है. रियल मतलब इट इज एग्जिस्टिंग, somewhere it is existing. Square root 2, at least approximate value is existing. But ये minus square root of minus 9, imaginary, ये exist ही नहीं हो सकता है. तो ये real number हमने देखे थे, अलग अलग टाइप के थे. Natural number, बराबर है, whole number, integer, फिर rational number and irrational number. These are the subtypes of real number. But ये जो imaginary number है, ये जो imaginary number है, ये existing नहीं करते. तो इसको हम लोग क्या करते हैं बच्चों? Just as an introduction, square root of 9 multiplied by square root of minus 1. तो स्क्वेयर रूट ऑफ 9 विल बी प्लस और माइनस 3 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय स्क्वेयर रूट ऑफ माइनस 1. और ये जो हमारा चैप्टर है, इट ऑल गोज अराउंड दिस स्क्वेयर रूट ऑफ माइनस 1. तो स्क्वेयर रूट ऑफ माइनस 1 इज द सेंटर पॉइंट ऑफ आवर फर्दर चैप्टर. याद रखो, याद रखो. समझ गए? What we are going to study in the further thing? The things connected with square root of minus 1. समझ गए बच्चों? तो आज के लिए इतना ही काफी. ये हमें स्टडी करना है स्क्वेयर रूट ऑफ माइनस 1 का अलजेब्रा, एंड दिस इज इमेजिनरी. इतना ही याद रखो. थैंक यू.